reviews. Yay! Today we're going to do a review on the Lego City tow truck. It has 227 pieces, and the theme is city, and it's set number 600561, and it comes with a little guy in here. He has his own hat. He looks kind of good. He does not have any hair, you can see. He's happy. He only has one face. So let's move on to the tow truck. Tow truck, we're going to start out with its play features. The doors can open, see? You could use those as little wings. Whee! And you could shut them as two. And then this lifts up. See? And then you could bring this down. See this? It's a mechanism. The string that you attach. And then look. Wait. See? It could go out. And then it can pull the car onto this. If you don't know what it is, it's a thing that holds the tires. Oh, it drives. It comes with a broom. And a winch over here. There's two little hooks. And then so let's put these back real quick. And there's some horns, and then there's some stickers. I like this because it had moving features, and it was fun to build. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!